I'm slowly breaking down, even when I hold you close. Oh, and if I lose you, I'm afraid I would lose who I gave.
She's always looking at the camera. Say good morning, Maddie. She's like, I know those people. I know you guys. Good morning. Say good morning. Hi guys, so today is what's today? Wednesday? I lost track of my days. Excuse me. Today is Wednesday and I am getting ready to go done hunting. All the new stuff is out. I saw homemade, which I don't know, Mia, if you're watching this, do you want homemade or do you want cake? Because cake is hard to find, but homemade is out. So if I find homemade, which is the same size as cake, I will get that for you. And I'm looking for Rosia. Don't let me butcher your name, but I'm looking for a cookie for her.
Wait, where's the collar?
Yeah.
And it's in the back.
I'm looking for cookie for someone else and stuff. So hopefully the new stuff is out today. Like I went on Monday, there was nothing. I went on Tuesday, there was nothing. So hopefully today is the day that I find some done. Like I need to be done, you know. But anyways, I'm gonna go hunting and I will see you guys in a little bit. ¿Qué pasó, baby? ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó, Maddie? Maddie, ¿qué pasó? Hola. 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 Hola.
Hello.
Bien. What? Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Why is the door open?
Daddy's about to. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hi, I was just wondering on my wife.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
They're come tomorrow with this damn refrigerator.
Because I was lazy. So our refrigerator is broken.
I don't want to admit that you're lazy.
I am lazy.
Like,
I am lazy. So I'm taking out all the stuff out of our refrigerator and trashing a bunch of stuff because our refrigerator is broken. And half the food went bad.
yeah, you told them to come tomorrow.
All the food went bad. So yours truly got a lot of work to do because our refrigerator is broken and my husband is mad at me because I told the people, they came and they said that they would, first of all, they said that they wanted me to bring all the food that I own to another unit to put it into a refrigerator. I said no, I'm not doing all of that. And now they came back, they said it was working, it wasn't working. So our food did spoil because I thought it was working. So now they came, they said they're gonna bring us a new fridge. So now I have to take everything out. The guy gave me two options. He said, I can bring it now or I can bring it tomorrow. But he was like, you have to clear out everything that was blocking the way. Which is not a lot. It's just a little stool that was at the door. And I was like, okay, fine. Tomorrow. Then my husband walked out the thing and they started speaking Spanish because our maintenance men, they're Spanish. So they started speaking Spanish and then he gonna tell them now. He want it now. So now... Now I have to take everything that we own out of this thing. So yeah, let's get started. I get pumped up, okay? It's a lot. So I'm making empanadas from scratch. And let me show you guys. So this is the dough that I did, and I'm over here rolling out the rest. I'm rolling out this, and I'm using my Ray-Don bowl to cut the little circles. Look who's down here. Hi, Maddie. She's bugging, and Daddy's helping me. He's making the filling. So there's egg, ground beef, and that's it. I think onions. And onions. Yeah.
And spices.
And spices. So. Thank you, honey bun, for helping me. So I'm gonna go finish up dinner and then I'm done for the day. Oh, I found 2 trick-or-treat canisters. They're claimed though. They're claimed, so I don't have any extra. I should show you guys. Right here, and this guy. This one is chip. This one is chip. Right there. It's chipped right there. And then on the lid right there. So I found those 2. They're for someone because I don't celebrate Halloween. I don't celebrate Halloween, but I found it. So put the candy in, whatever they want to put in there. Who knows? You know what I mean? But it's there. I'm doing dishes and Maddie decides to take all the spoons and fork and throw them on the floor. Maddie? Madison? Oh. Maddie?
Guys, I'm sleeping on the top back.
Maddie? No. No, no, no. Get down. Maddie, get down. Why are you terrorizing the kitchen, ma'am? Could you get out of there? Now I have more mess to clean up after I'm done. Get out of there. No, ain't nothing. Take that out your mouth. It's dirty. I have to run the washer. Great. Now she's gonna get a new one. Take that out your mouth. Nice. Great. 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 Just great. All right. Wow. Wow.
Thank you.
Maddie, could you please get up off the floor? She's like, I'm gonna sit here and enjoy my mess. What's the thing? Okay guys, so I just got back in the house. I'm getting ready to do, I went to the grocery store. I went to the grocery store and I'm picking up stuff as I go for Destiny's lunch. She starts school next Tuesday, right after Labor Day. Is it Labor Day, honey?
Yeah, after Labor Day.
Yeah, after Labor Day. So I'm slowly stockpiling, you know, little snacks and stuff for her school lunches that I'm gonna be doing. And yeah, so let me show you guys what I got so far. Cupcake. So I got some Cliff Bars. These were 5 for $5. So I just got her some chocolate brownie, coconut chocolate chip, and almond fudge and peanut butter. And then I got her some Kind Bars. I just got her 4. I got some peanut butter pretzels. I got her some chicken and biscuit cracker and some sun-dried, these are sun-dried thing. This just came, and these are just like, let me show you guys what these are.
Little cup of stars.
So that's that. And these are just like stars. Like right there. Liners, silicone liners.
I knew you made the cupcakes.
So that's that. And these are like that. So that's pretty. That's pretty. Then I got her this one. It just looks like this. This is round. So that's that. And then we have the hearts. So I have hearts, round, flowers, and the stars.
Why didn't you get a pizza? I just wanted
Yeah,
a sandwich.
that's all the little stuff that I bought to put her little snack and stuff in her thing. So I just finished cleaning my kitchen. Peace.
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 Peace. I just finished cleaning up my kitchen for the night, and I usually clean up my kitchen every night to get it ready for the next morning, because it's much easier to get out. It's much easier in the mornings to get, you know, breakfast started and all of that going for the kids. My boys come back tomorrow, so kind of have to get back on track so I'm not like overwhelmed. And then I have to do my table. I have to clean up my table and over there. And Destiny's supposed to be finishing the living room, tidying up their toys, and that's it for the night.
Guys, we're working out here.
I feel so tired and so weak and so draining, and I was thinking to myself, I'm like, I thought to myself, I watched the movie Girls Trip, and that movie is funny. It's not for, it has a lot of profanity in it and a lot of curse words and stuff. Yeah, if you don't like profanity and curse words, then it's not the movie for you. But yeah, that thing has a lot of cuss words in it. And I was watching it and I realized that I don't have that kind of friendship. I mean, I have friendships, but they're not friendships where they're people that are going to remain in my life constantly. It's always people that come and go. You know, it's never anyone that's here to stay. And I know God put people in your life for a season and time. You know, when their job is finished, they move on. And some people He placed in your life for a lifetime. And I don't have anyone in my life that's for a lifetime. You know, or I don't have that kind of friendship where I can call someone up and say, hey, let's go out and go hang out and, you know, stuff like that. I don't have that. You know, and that's something that I'm yearning for in my life. Basically, it's genuine friendship. You know, and who's playing with that? Could you turn it off?
No,
it's genuine friendship. Genuine friendship is what I'm yearning for in my life. And I'm getting old, and I realize that if I don't do it now, it makes no sense doing it at all, you know. So I want to start something where, you know, I can meet friends, or I want to start going out where I can meet friends and develop lifelong, you know, bonds, and not feel so alone when, you know, my family basically abandons you.
you're out.
You know, because I feel so alone. I feel so, you know, isolated, and I don't know. Just me and my camera. So tomorrow I'm going radon hunting again. Story of my life. I'm desperately trying to find all the pieces for Thanksgiving, because I'm definitely doing Thanksgiving dinner at my house for a few of my church friends. Like, again, church. That's the only place I have friends, is at church. And I am slowly trying to strengthen that relationship where it doesn't feel like they're just my church family, or, you know, they're actual people that care about me and stuff like that. I think I'm delusional, so I'm going to bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Radon hunting is getting ridiculous. There's nothing out there. I'm so tired. Hi, Maddie.
Are you gonna do a grocery haul?
Every time, Maddie always do this. Look what Maddie does. What are you doing? And why did you pull that off of there, Madison? She always go there and pull that down.
Yeah.
Maddie, this is not your Ray done, okay? It's not your Ray done. Put it back. No, get off of there. Look, look. Maddie terrorizes my house.
Yeah.
Madison, no. No, no, no.
Your weekend.
How's my weekend? How was your whole week?
Very good. It was
Good.
a whole week. We went to the movie
It was a whole week.
theater. Yeah, it was.
Today's Thursday.
And you came at Saturday.
You went to the movies.
Yeah. We saw the what do you mean? Despicable Me 3.
Your hair looks moisturized. Did Grandma do something to it?
No.
Why it looks so moisturized?
I don't know. I downloaded.
So I'm making curry chicken. Curry chicken. And I'm gonna show you guys the haul again because every time I go to, I bought some, I got some more stuff for Destiny. Let me show you guys. Okay, so this is, I'm stockpiling stuff for Destiny's lunches. And Destiny's the only one I'm making lunches for, packing lunches for, because she's the only one that I noticed that's been gaining weight rapidly from the school lunches. So I figured if I start packing her lunches, I can monitor what she's eating. So these are Jackson's. This is Jackson's and this is Jackson's. Those are his snacks. I got her some Roaring Waters, and this is the berry flavor. And I got her another grape. This should last her 2.5 weeks. Yeah, 2.5 weeks. And then I got her some Captain wafers, and this is the cream cheese and chives. So I got her that. And then I got her, she said that she would eat the applesauce in the pouch, so I got her the apple strawberry, and I got her the Harris Teeter brand because it was cheaper. This was $1.79 for 4. And then I got her 2 energy bar, and these are the Simply Truth nutrition bar. This is the fudge graham, and then this one is peanut butter chocolate chip. So I just got her that. And then for her sandwiches, I'm gonna be giving her half of this, half of each roll, and I think there's 8 in here. So yeah, this should last her for a week, and then the rest the other kids can have, because that's a lot of bread. And then she said she wanted some mandarins.
True.
And I got the one in light syrup, so she said she will eat those. And then I got her cups of mixed fruit. Then I got her some more crackers to stockpile her crackers. And then I got her some trail mix, and these have a little bit of M&Ms in them. So, but it's mostly raisins and peanuts. She's not a fan of raisins, so I might take those out. But yeah, that's that. So that's all I got Miss Destiny today. And then over here I got 4 of these. These were buy one get one free, so I buy 4. I love these. Like, if you are addicted to soda and you want to stop drinking soda, this is a very good alternative to that. They taste so good. And then I got me some chicken to go with my lunch. So I just got a little container of chicken, and then I put it over this guy, and that's my lunch. And I'm gonna make her chicken. Oh man, today was back to school. No, it was meet the teacher. And Jackson's going to kindergarten. The twins are going to 5th grade, and Destiny's going to 4th grade. Like, I want to cry, but I can't cry. So the twins are separated. They're in 2 different classes. Destiny got Jason's kindergarten teacher, And Jaxson got the twins pre-K teacher and also Destiny's kindergarten teacher. So she had all 4 Albornoz's children. She had the twins for pre-K, and then she switched over to kindergarten, and then she got Destiny for kindergarten. Destiny never went to pre-K. And then Jaxson, she has Jaxson for kindergarten. So it's really nice to have repeated teachers. I know the teachers, and you know, I'm excited that school starts in after the weekend, and then Monday they start school on Tuesday. It's kind of late. We've never started school this late, so I don't know how I feel about it, because I feel like I had the kids all summer long and I want them back in school already. But yeah. But anyways, went out right down hunting, and I found cream, sugar, and a butter, and a tea canister. That's about it I found today. I'm gonna use those for some holiday trades because I am done. I'm sick of just going to go hunt for Raydon and can't find any Raydon. And yeah, weight loss channel. I can't do the weight loss because I'm doing a fast, and whatever weight I lose is not an actual loss, like I said before. So this little guy, tell him, he started kindergarten. He starts kindergarten, and I can't believe this little face is gonna be gone all day. Remember when I was running to the bus at 12 o'clock during the day? Now he's gonna be gone at 8 a.m. and I'm so excited. I'm so excited for him. I'm so excited for him to start kindergarten. I can't believe it. Next is gonna be Maddie. Anyways, I will see you guys on Monday. Take care. Bye.